Hey, welcome everyone to another video, and we're gonna continue with the Star Wars week. And today we're gonna unbox these car ships. We got the First Order Special Forces TIE Fighter. We got the Millennium Falcon. We got the X-Wing Fighter. Very cool, very cool. We're gonna continue this and unbox these because we got ton of more to go. We got all of this to go. So, first one to go is the TIE Fighter. Let's check it out in the box. A little bit of damage, but not that much. At the back, we got this one right here. As you can see, it's right here. Yeah, there you go. This one we unboxed it a few months ago. There you go. So we got another one open. Oh, very cool. The corner got stuck in the plastic, so it's best if you buy this one and you break it open, peel it, take it off from the front, and it'll come out. So these are very cool die cast, fully metal. You can feel it, you can feel the weight. This one's very cool for a car ship. This one will be very cool to watch it on the track, fly by, swish by. The black and the red is very cool. Next up, we gotta go with the X-Wing, and we'll leave the Millennium Falcon to last. Here's the X-Wing Fighter. Packaging. There's the ship, so you can know which one it is. Where's the influence coming from? Very hard. Let's crack. Open this one. The X-Wing, very cool. I like this one. This one's very awesome to have. I think this one would be my favorite car. This one and the black one. Yeah, and this one, I love that Rebel logo on the side. It's pretty cool. So let's see what's the difference between these two. Not much, just the color, of course. Oh yeah, you can tell quite a bit. Very cool. Now let's go with the Millennium Falcon. Yeah. Packaging, very cool. There's the ship. There's the other ones that come in the back. So let's open this one up. We have the car ship, and we have the die-cast ship. So we're gonna probably crack that one until the end of the week. Oh, I like the blue rims, the black with the blue. Look at that. That's cool. Not that great, but I like it. It's alright. The Rebel sign on the top, that line. I don't think that line is on it. Is it in the movies? Look at that detail. That is all the car ships that I got in my collection that I had to unbox. So I only got 4 of them. Probably sent a couple to my brother up north. So that's it for today. Tune in the next few days for the next ones. I promise I got a ton more. There's the proof. All that stack is gonna get unboxed, y'all. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, tune into the next one. Bye.